So friend, this is my blue sky channel here, and this topic I will discuss in this time here. So what is the Intel HD graphics and why using Intel HD graphics here? So maybe in control panel not showing this type options, so how can we using it? Last my previous video was indexing options, and I'm already create other topic video. Watch my previous video, create tab manager, what is the administrator tools, how can we using administrator tools, and why give these systems here. All of control panel available these type systems and options here. And backup and restore, what is iSCSI, what is DVC data, so 64-bit 32-bit services, and some options here. So friends, this my Intel HD graphics, these options you can see here. And how can we using these Intel HD graphics and why using these systems here? So these Intel HD graphics only for using HD graphics and your desktop in showing here. So what is inside and how many type options available and how can we using these Intel HD graphics systems here. So let's start. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech sketch. In this model you can see here my this online Nettech sketch, this type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo, and so you can see this is. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech sketch. In this model you can see here my this online Nettech sketch, this type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo, and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use in PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel, and you can visit, very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced. You can learn about computer, okay, and visit one by one my. You can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like. So this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video. So you can see just here Intel HD graphics, maybe in your control panel not showing this type options. So how can we show these systems here? So your CPU dual core, and the second is your virtualization support your motherboard, and you are install Intel CPU, so you can store these gigabyte driver here, and automatically these showing Intel HD graphics, and so you install your driver in your systems here. So you can see just Intel HD graphics, these related only for HD graphics systems by your Intel give these options here. This software only for you configure your HD graphics is just like 3D animation, 3D software, and your desktop, your Windows operating system support 3D systems here. So I'm using Windows 10, and this my Windows 10 already support 3D and high configuration. HD graphics support this my operating system. So Windows XP, Windows not supporting HD type, but new some update in Windows XP, so you can using HD graphics systems, but Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 showing here HD graphics. So you can see just what is the graphics. So how can we store in? So you have a gigabit your driver of your CD DVD, and you install these, so automatically these showing in your control panel. Without this installation, these driver you cannot start these options. So here, okay, so this is my Windows 10 operating system, and this already support my computer in HD graphics. So how can we manage and how can we using systems here? So HD graphics help me for 3D animation, 3D programming, 3D these my software and main operating system features. And second is think my high configuration games and games graphics here. So first I'm showing only Intel HD graphics options here, and you can configure take more good these systems improvement in your desktop systems here. Click on here and this showing intelligence this system observe, and you can see just this my windows of this created only Intel company, not Windows company. So if you are install Intel gigabyte your gigabit drivers, so these automatically these showing these HD graphic control panel here. So this control your HD graphics in this small control panel by created Intel company. So Intel company in these systems, and these you can see just control panel all of, but 98% Microsoft company create options, but you can see just here control panel this create Intel company here, and you can see this logo here. So this is a display. I'm showing what is the display. So you are using LED, LCD, 4K LED. So this display showing me here this type of options, and I can using these systems here. So this automatically some information by default my detect these software here. So first I'm starting here these general settings here. So you can see just here select displays showing me here. So you are using multiple display just like your 2 display, 3 display. So this is a computer driver automatically found and automatically detect. So not directly automatic in your logical system, you can see just a program automatically detect and start here. So you can see this my monitor 1970W, this my LCD, this showing me my in my these driver systems here, and these my support LCD 3D programming 3D and resolution type. So resolution one type of your computer in how many clarity of your graphics. So I'm apply, and you can see just here this my changing resolution, that means 1024. You can see just here these were not optimized screen resolution for the primary display, and the option resolution this select this notification for more information. So these might not complete compatible these resolution and not completely using these my computer systems here. So I want to by default one 024, and I'm using here. So these automatically changing and showing me here. So in my recording this software not showing here, but you are using here this my original system original this my showing me here, and original window you can see just again me, and background sun you can see this my 133 resolution here. So I'm again click on, and you can minimize, you can change your resolution by your this control panel. And second is you change your display settings in control panel settings here. So these automatically not directly access. First you want Intel HD gigabit your driver here. So this driver control panel display automatically this created your settings in your support your LCD LED. So I can see here this my small window very large tab here. So I'm just again same click here. Okay, so changing here, these my complete my these showing me resolution and systems here. You can see just here this my computer is compatible for and completely fix my the system. So I click on yes, and refresh rate. So what is a refresh rate? So in 1 minute how many type pixels in these 16 pixels exactly exact showing me. So sz is one type of your calculate your 16 pixels in one per second. So these how many type of these display showing, and you can move your systems, and you can change your systems. So these are showing your computer how many turn your system turn your computer. So these are showing me here this type here, and this my background side original. So you can see just in my computer recording this software not perfectly showing, but I'm just showing only this. So you can you can change here this system, but I don't like here. And you can see again these I can rotation 16 to 18 degree here, and one 217 degree. So you want 270 degree rotation systems here. So 0 is one type of 19 angle, and this you can see just here different this showing me my resolution here. So background set is my original system, and you can see just here front ground set this system here showing me. So I don't like here. Okay, so this is my rotation system. You can rotate your like LED, and scaling. So maintain the spin scaling. So scaling is one type, or you can set up your ratio, set up your your how many type you look in your computer system. So customize aspect ratio you can change here, and these are showing me scale systems here. You can see just this type here. Okay, so how much you want your zoom in and zoom out in your systems here. So click on OK and apply, and you can see just here. So I like only these default system, not like these other. So first I like only default system in my computer, because advanced and showing here, so not showing this my support these advanced settings. I want more high configuration LCD LED. So these advanced systems support me. Maybe this my monitor not supporting this my 1974, just like example 4K LED LCD, and high resolution these systems and video systems here. So you can see just here this is advanced settings in this my not showing perform in my computer. And color setting, you can change your color settings and how many type changing your color. And so by default set is complete for me, but I can change for you, and I will showing you. So this is a color management. Again, you can I'm already created this video, and watch my uh, this color management video in control panel playlist. So these are software by color changing Intel graphics systems here. So these are three type main color of red, green, and blue, and three is always using start your system here. So you can see just 32-bit in start my video systems here, and you can see these this sample showing me. So these types you can check in your system. So this my original photos, and you can see just here, but I'm just first showing you brightness and contrast and gamma. So you can see just showing here this is brightness 0%, not perfect on minus and plus systems here. So this is you can you want more light, and you want more lighting with darkness and lighting systems here. So this is a software helpful for you, and you can see just your red, green, and blue, three main color of in your system LED systems, CRT monitor, LCD monitor. This main primary three color and always starting and always working with your mi milliseconds in the changing your systems here. So these LCD automatically your what is a LCD, what is how using LCD and technology, how using technology, these red, green, blue. So watch my computer hardware video. So I'm just showing here. So this is I'm just changing here these contrast and gamma. So you can see just here changing here. Okay, so this is a different type of gamma and the system, but I'm not changing anything because I like only by default this color here. Okay, and advanced you can see just color enhanced, that means solely say different type of saturation and showing in your systems here. So not showing in but you want first check here there is your sample 1, sample 2 and sample 3. So this is a multi-display, that means you are connected in one computer 3 displays, so you can you manage your multiple displays. So this is showing in your my display only one here, but I'm connected 3 display in my computer. So how can we connect with 3 display in my computer? So I will discuss in some video. So I'm just this time showing only this my one showing this monitor here, monitor 9017W AOC, this company my monitor here, and audio settings. So this is not directly showing me this working other driver, other systems working here, but you may be using HDMI port, so maybe showing these audio settings here. Custom resolution, that means you can change your custom, how many type of resolution and how many type of using. So I click on yes, and so I'm just only showing you, but I'm using only by default this Intel HD graphics control systems here. So you can see just this is my custom resolution. I can changing anything just like I'm just showing here. So this is these three blank text box, and this again you can see there is very your basic and these advanced systems here. So you can change your X and active and front break and backup and anything systems here. So this is a computer of your resolution in how many how many pixels and how many your inch you can set in your computer. Okay, so sometime your 21 inch and 34 inch, so this automatically software observe in your computer size here, and automatically you how many your cut your pixel, how many type of cut your pixels with inch here. So 3 type of scaling here, pixels is and the second inch, and third is frame. Okay, so advanced in showing here these systems here, and I will discuss in computer hardware playlist. You can see just how many type of display I will discuss in systems here. You can see there is my selected display one showing me a monitor 9070W. So friend, this is Intel HD graphics part 1 complete here, and how many type Intel inside different HD graphics related options available in my computer and your computer. So sometimes you may be not have this type of settings, so you can manage your HD graphics systems and HD graphics related more, increase your graphics related systems, and your more good performance and quality of your videos and graphics related to some additional features and additional softwares, animations and different type of features, very good perform and good your performance your systems here. So Intel HD graphics part 2 inside, I will continue these settings here. So I will continue this Intel HD graphics part 2, and how many type of Intel HD graphics are available in these other settings in how using these systems. So I will continue these setting everything Intel HD graphics in a video Graphics part 2 here. So thanks to watching my video. Have a nice day.